In this video, we will learn how to print and how to comment. First of all, we will discuss about string. A string is a data type used in programming, such as an integer and floating point unit, but it is used to represent text rather than number. It is comprised of a set of characters that can also contain spaces and number. For example, the word hamburger and the phrase I ate 3 hamburger are both strings. Next is print function. The print function prints the specified message to the screen or other standard output device. The message can be a string or any other object. The object will be converted into a string before written to the screen. Comments. Although comments do not change the outcome of a program, they still play an important role in any programming language. Comments are the way to improve the readability of code by explaining what we have done in code in simple English language. A comment is a text that does not affect the outcome of a code. It is just a piece of text to let someone know what you have done in a program or what is being done in a block of code. This is especially helpful when someone else has written a code and you are analyzing it for bug fixing or making a change in logic. By reading a comment, you can understand the purpose of code much faster than by just going through the actual code. So comments are of two types: single line comment and multi-line comment. Comment explaining the code within single line is called single line comment. Single line comment in Python start with symbol hash. You can see here I have inserted a picture of single line comment. Second one, multi-line comment. Comment explaining the code more than one line is called multi-line comment. In Python should be enclosed with 3 single quotes. You can see I have also inserted an example of multi-line comment. It will take some time to open the program. If you see any error in the left pane, just click on fix it, configure automatically, then allow it, it will run properly. To create new file in left pane, click right side, then create new file, go to Python option, your new file will be created. Now I am showing you how to print a string. First of all, write print brackets, then double quotes, type hello world. To run the program, just press Ctrl Shift plus F10. You will see here the result output. Next line, once again print bracket we are best programmer. Now next line, print bracket double quote I am the best. Now next line, print bracket we are the best. To run the code, just press Ctrl plus Shift plus F10 key. Your result will be here. Now how to comment? Just insert the hash, then whatever you want to comment you can type here. Now I am showing you multi-line comment. Type 3 quotes, single quote, single type 3 time quotes, we are the best programmer, 3 single quotes. Now you can run the program, output will be same. Subscribe the channel and turn on bell notifications for more updates.